Hi, I'm Sam and I'm a coffee trainer at Ringtons. Today we're at the stunning Crowne Plaza in Newcastle to do a coffee training session. Let's go and have a look at a couple of our machines. Here at the Crowne Plaza we have over 10 machines on site. This is an example of one here. This is the bean to cup machine, touch button, fully automatic, that can be programmed for caffeinated drinks and decaffeinated drinks. Working with us, our service does not end with the delivery of our product. We care about our customers and we care about a good quality product, which is why we value training so highly. Our training service gives our customers the peace of mind that they'll be taught all relevant knowledge, from cleaning machines and equipment to serving great drinks. We like to work together with our customers to identify their specific needs. Here we have a mobile unit used for functions and events. The beauty is the flexibility without the degrading quality. I hope that's given you a bit of an idea of the services we provide. If there's anything Ringtons can do for you, please don't hesitate to give us a call or an email. We'll be happy to help.